Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove Microsoft OneDrive from your Windows 10 computer step by step. If you've ever found OneDrive popping up when you're saving files or syncing things you didn't ask for, this tutorial will help you clean things up for good. By the end, you'll know how to fully uninstall OneDrive, keep your files organized, and regain control over what runs in the background on your PC. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to search for OneDrive on your computer. All you need to do is click on the search bar at the bottom left of your screen, right next to the Start button, and type OneDrive. Give it a moment. Once you see the Microsoft OneDrive app in the list, right-click on it. Here you should have the option to uninstall. Go ahead and select that. Windows will now start the process of removing OneDrive from your system. Now, depending on your computer's speed, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if nothing happens right away. If you ever see a message pop up asking for permission to make changes, that's just Windows confirming the uninstall. Click Yes to continue. If for some reason you don't see the uninstall option when you right-click on OneDrive, there's another way to do this that's just as effective. Head back to the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. The Control Panel is basically the command center for a lot of settings on your computer. Once you're inside, look for an option that says Uninstall a program. It's usually under Programs. Click there and you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your PC, kind of like a giant checklist. Scroll through and try to find Microsoft OneDrive. Sometimes it hides a little, so take your time scanning the list. If you do spot it, right-click on OneDrive and choose Uninstall. Just like before, follow any prompts that appear until the process completes. Now, what if you look and OneDrive just isn't listed? Don't stress. Some versions of Windows treat OneDrive like a built-in app, and in that case, your first method, the right-click uninstall after typing OneDrive in the search bar, should do the trick. If you can't find it anywhere, it's possible OneDrive is already removed, so you're all set. Once you've uninstalled OneDrive, or even before, you might still notice its little cloud icon sitting in the bottom right of your screen near the clock. That icon shows OneDrive still logged in even if the app itself is gone. Give that icon a click. That brings up the OneDrive panel. Click on Settings, which opens a new window just for OneDrive's options. There, find the Account tab. This is where you can actually unlink OneDrive from your Microsoft account. Hit Unlink this PC. What this does is sign you out, so OneDrive stops syncing files altogether. It's a good final step to make sure everything's disconnected. That's all there is to it. You've now completely removed and unlinked Microsoft OneDrive from your Windows 10 PC. Your files won't be synced to the cloud anymore, and you can store and organize things exactly how you like. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like so others can find it. Leave a comment below if you've got any questions. I'm always here to help, and I love hearing your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.